My faculty member is there. In the 2002, I joined somewhere for Java sessions. 2002. Almost how many years before? 24 years before. To learn Java, I joined somewhere. There the trainer, of course, institute owner, later point of time, okay, he is the part of DURGASOFT. Currently, he is taking the batches also, CoreJava batches, Nageswara sir visits, Nageswara sir, CoreJava batches. I was the student once. Of course, now he is my team member. Usually, he's also very much interested in the real estate. We visited together, we traveled multiple places. Together, we did some, okay, deals kind of thing like that. He's always going to ask one question. Durga, I told in the last sections also the same dialogue. Durga, whenever you are meeting watchman, you are going to behave like a watchman. Just, hey, bhai, Ramesh bhai, kya hai? Kaisa hai? Like keeping your hand on their shoulders and talking, just like another watchman. Whenever you are talking with a site in charge supervisor, you are behaving like a site supervisor. Whenever you are talking with the venture owner, you are behaving like another venture owner. How these many variations in you, I don't know. It's impossible for me to do like that. Like he used this word multiple times, my guru. Okay, we traveled multiple places, and then together real estate, we did multiple deals. Like he's always using. From these things, have you observed, right? I never feel that oh, I'm the venture owner in front of security person. I never felt that oh, I'm so and so in front of okay supervisor. Like based on opposite person, we have to get down. Then the people are going to feel very comfortable to communicate, very comfortable to talk, to connect. Getting the point? That's all.
Yes, yes.
In our total story, what you require to remember is keep opposite person always at a high position. Always, you know your position, you know your value. You are not required to tell in the mic, oh, I'm so and so, oh, I don't. No one is willing to listen. Keep your opposite person always at the top. Respect, importance, okay, appreciation. Like these kind of things. If you do this small change, the total world is always with you. Once you are keeping, hey, I, myself, my need, my requirement, hey, my position, then you will become alone in the world. The total, even in the next 20 days or 1 month, whatever we are going to discuss 1 month, 1.5 months, but total summary is this one only. You require to give the importance to the opposite person. You require to give genuine importance to the opposite person. Always what they require, what their goals, then obviously everyone loves you. Everyone is going to connect you. The total world is always with you. Otherwise, you will become alone. Remember that. I hope it is clear. So, in that opposite position, any person, your family member, your wife, or otherwise your husband, or your parents, or your boss, your colleague, your friend, any person, give importance for the opposite person. Then the total world is always with you, dosto. The total summary of this is okay. This one only what you have to aware. Remember.